Alright, so 4.3, number 13, we've got increase and decrease, and concave up, concave down, extrema, and inflection point or points for this function. So first step is to find the derivative, y prime. 12x squared plus 42x plus 36. So now we could find extrema by setting that equal to 0 and solving. So I could factor out a 6, but hey, why do that when you can just quad it? So quad 12, 42, 36, boom, negative 1.5 and negative 2. So x equals negative 1.5 and negative 2. So those are where we have a horizontal tangent. So those are mins or maxes. It's a polynomial. It's a third degree polynomial. So already we know this is the shape that it's going to produce. So your first x value is going to be a maximum, and the second x value is going to be a minimum, just based on the shape. But we are going to pretend like we don't know that, because we're going to find the second derivative and plug those in to confirm that it is a maximum and a minimum. So second derivative, 24x plus 42. Set it equal to 0 and solve. So x equals negative 42 over 24, 21 over 12, 4 over, let's see, negative 7 over 4, negative 7/4. Okay, so that's our inflection points where our second derivative is 0. We can plug that back into the equation. 42 over 24. Um, 4 times negative 7/4. Maybe I'll just plug it in the equation first. Calculate value. Negative 40.125. Alright. So our inflection point is negative 7/4, comma, negative 40.125. Sorry. Okay, so that's going to happen like right there. We could plug our two critical points into our second derivative, do a second derivative test and check their concavity. So y double prime and negative 1.5, if I plug that in there, I get 24 times negative 1.5 plus 42. So what's that? Negative 36 plus 42 is 6, so it's positive, so it's concave up, therefore it's a maximum at negative 1.5. Y double prime of negative 2 is 24 times negative 2 plus 42. It gives you negative 48 plus 42 is negative 6, so it's concave down, so it's a, sorry, first one was a minimum, second one was a maximum. Into my original. I get negative 40.25, and that's my minimum. So I'm just going to do an ordered pair. Negative 1.5, comma, negative 40.25, and we said that that is a minimum. It's a local min. And then plugging in -2, you get -40. It's a maximum of -2, -40. So then you could draw a sketch. It increases from -infinity to our first point, which is -2. And it also increases after -1.5. It decreases between the two. It's concave up after -7/4. And it's concave down before -7/4.